What's up, guys? Dapper Dubs here at Rebates and Sallisaw Ford, and it's Test Drive Tuesday. I want to tell you about this 2018 Ford Taurus. Look at the sleek color. It's the white gold, super nice, plenty of room. It's got some great leisures to it. You got the old seat that moves, power seats that moves back and forth. It's got Bluetooth capabilities. This also has Sirius XM. So if you're wanting some good tunes, you can put this on Sirius XM. And this also has the Bluetooth capabilities. It's got the where you can open the trunk with the key. Oh, there it goes. Pop back there. Look at this great truck space. If I was Dexter, I could fit 3 bodies in here. So this also has the backup camera, as you can see there. And the best thing about this is the price right now. Up till Valentine's Day on the 14th of the end of business day, you can buy this vehicle. MSRP is $28,685. $28,685. We're taking $8,000 off. Drop it down to $20,685. Get you a monthly payment of $324 with approved credit. So guys, you can have this beautiful, sleek vehicle. You're talking about 3 years, 36,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper warranty, 5 years, 60,000 miles of powertrain for $324 a month with approved credit. And you would look great. This is a great vehicle if you're in a business and you're just trying to impress somebody, or just a nice vehicle to have. But more importantly than that, it's a vehicle you can get for $20,000 basically. So guys, come see us. This vehicle is not going to last long. We're going to move it before the 14th. So Test Drive Tuesday, come by, come see me, come ask for Dapper Dubs. I got all my sales guys here waiting for you. Ask for me and we'll get you taken care of on this vehicle today. Come see us before it's gone.